Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed your HubSpot form in WordPress. Now it's very easy. Once you publish your form, you'll get this to share your form, right? You can click on get embed code, you copy this code, and you paste this into the HTML code on your website. If you already had a form created before, you just come here, hover over this microphone icon, click on forms. And once you access your forms, I'll show you how you can go ahead and get this code. So you click on actions, and then I want you to click on share, click on embed code, copy this. Okay. Now we come back to WordPress, come here over to pages, click on add page, right? And we'll be adding a form page on our website. So let's go ahead and call it HubSpot forms, right? HubSpot form. And if we want to go ahead and, start writing with text or HTML, make sure you click on these three dots at the top right. Okay, make sure in the code editor, not the visual editor. This is what the visual editor looks like. Come to the code editor where we'll basically type in with HTML, just paste in this code, okay, that we got from HubSpot. Click on publish again, and there you go. You're done. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.